Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix TikTok videos not loading black screen fix. First of all, make sure to check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues, and make sure you are connected to a stable network. After that, you're going to open TikTok. Go to your profile, click on the three-line option on the top of your phone. Go to settings and privacy, and then scroll down and go to free of space and clear your cache, downloads and drafts. After that, you can go ahead and restart the app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen and swiping it away. This clears out temporary bugs. Safety tip: do not download or install TikTok versions from outside the App Store. Quick fix: switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa and try playing the video again, and that's it. Subscribe for more TikTok fixes and tutorials.